Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review for the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault collection. It contains 4 eyeshadow palettes, 10 eyeshadows in each palette, and it's a really nice collection. It's got lots of different shades to choose from, so I was really excited to get this. I bought this directly from the Morphe website for $75 Australian. They now have like an Australian website, so you don't have to spend like $35 shipping. That's what it was before, so I just never bothered. If you want to see how I got this look, you're in the right place. Just keep watching. Let's just run through the palettes. The first palette here is the Armed and Gorgeous palette. It has a really lovely mix of warm tones. There's a dark green in there. There's a really icy, cool toned white frosty shade. Not super keen on that one, but I really love all the other colors. I think you can get some great looks going there. Next one is Dark Magic, and that one is more of a cool toned green palette. It's got more of like a shimmery taupe shades, almost a silver shimmer. Again, it's got kind of an olive green similar to the last palette. I think this one looks really nice too, actually. You can get some really lovely looks as long as it's pigmented. Next one is Bling Boss, which is a purple themed palette. It's got pink shimmers, nice deep purples that are quite matte, which I really love. And then it's got some kind of shimmery ones, but one of them's like a, looks like a black with gold purple shimmers in it. That one looks like a really unique color. Last one in the collection is Ring the Alarm, and that one is a super warm tone palette. It's got really gorgeous like pinks in it as well, kind of pinky cranberry colors, along with like the camel sort of shades, and then some dark matte purples and browns. I think that one is really gorgeous. So you can see what's happening here a little bit closer now. First shade I'm using is Access, which is a really nice orange. I'm just going to pop this quite high above my crease because I have hooded eyes. If I put it right in my crease, you won't be able to see the color. That blended out really easy. I'm going to go in with the darker orange color accent and mix it with Secure, which is another orange, and just kind of deepen that up a little bit. If you can see, it seems to be clinging to like a patch. I don't know why. What is that? Oh, jeez. Yeah, like where I initially laid down the color, it's just stuck. Okay. So if you can see, wherever I lay down the color, that's where it just sticks there. That's gonna stay. It looks it's a little bit of a bother, and I can't seem to blend it out. I'm gonna go in with the Ring the Alarm palette and use the shade Alert. I'm just trying to cover up the patches now, so I'm going to use a darker orange and try and run that over. I know it looks a little crappy at the moment because it's kind of mid-eye look, but you can still see where the original color underneath applied. And what I might do now is cut my crease. Now that I've cut the crease, I'm going to go in with Guilt Trip, which is a gold from the Armed and Gorgeous palette. And I'm not wetting the brush or anything because I've got concealer on my lid, so it should be good. Now I'm going to take the colours Access and Secure, which are the two orange shades, and just blend that out. I feel like this look needs something deeper, but I'm actually scared to apply something deeper because I'm worried it will ruin it. I'm going to use the shade Secret from Ring the Alarm. There's a lot of kick up on the pan. That's not the end of the world. Alright. Yeah. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and then I'll come back and we'll do the under eye shadow and give you my final thoughts. I'm back, the rest of my makeup is done. Now just to do the under eye area. Oh, for God's sake, they all look the same. And let me find the right palette. Okay, right. From the Armed and Gorgeous, I'm gonna go in with that really light orange, the Access shade, and mix it with Secure. And just go underneath. I'm gonna take the orange shade called Agent, which is like the worst possible name for an orange shade. I'm gonna go in with that dark shade that I used called Secret from the Ring the Alarm palette. Right. I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put some mascara on and then I will be right back. This is the finished look, guys. Alright, I'm back. I don't have anything on my lips, but it kind of works, doesn't it? Anyway, this is the look that I managed to come up with. I'm actually happy with it. I think it looks really, really nice. I found that wherever I placed those orange shades, it's like boop, and then that was it. Like that's where it would stay. It would blend around, like you could apply around it, but there would be a darker patch wherever you stamped down that color. That was really weird. So I managed to kind of cover it up with a darker orange, and then I did the even darker brown. With the original Jaclyn Hill palette, I haven't really found any of those shades to be kind of weird and patchy and clingy like these ones are. So if you're tossing up between getting the new Vault collection or the original Jaclyn Hill palette, I would go with the original Jaclyn Hill palette just because I know that they're all great shadows, whereas with this one you're spending $75, that's Australian by the way, you're spending $75 on 4 eyeshadow palettes. That is, I mean, granted that's a good deal, you're getting 40 eyeshadow shades, but if they're not all workable, then if they're not all workable, then why are you spending that much money on them? I'm not crazy about the palettes. I don't think they're bad. I just think there are a few inconsistencies, and that is a little bit disappointing because I really do love the original palette. That one is amazing and every shade in there is great. So I was kind of expecting the same sort of quality to roll into this launch as well, and it hasn't, so I'm a little bit disappointed. If you really want the palette, then get it, but if you're on a budget or you're very selective with what you buy, I wouldn't go for this palette. I think you're better off going with another brand where every single shadow is going to be great quality, not this one where it's kind of pick and choose, because it's a bit of a waste, isn't it? As a makeup collector, I don't mind because I just a bit of makeup hoarder, and I also buy things to review and swatch, so that's just part of what I do. But if I was gonna buy this from a consumer point of view, I don't think I would. Do with it what you will, but you can see like throughout the video how it blended. You could see the patchiness, so it's up to you if you want to buy something that does that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please take a minute to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and thumbs up this video. It helps me out a lot and I really appreciate the support. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a Jaclyn Hill Vault palette review. Oh god. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Ah! It's not a Morphe. It's not a... Ah! It's the Vault. Oh my god. Everyone, today I'm going to be doing a review of the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. Yes! I did it. Palettes. Damn it. I didn't do it.